In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product to Squarespace. Let's walk through the essentials so you can quickly get a new item into your store with confidence. We'll keep it simple, clear, and focused on exactly what you need to do. First, look to the left side of your Squarespace dashboard and click Products and Services, then select Products. This area is your control center for everything you're selling. Think of it as your catalog manager. It's where you'll view, organize, and maintain every product in your shop. If you already have items listed, this page will show your full list of products so you can see what's active, what might be a draft, and what's ready to update later. Next, we're going to add something new. Head to the top right and click Add Product. This is the starting point for creating a fresh listing, and it opens a guided setup so you don't miss anything important. You'll be asked to select a product type. Choose the one that best matches what you're offering. For example, physical products are items you ship, digital products are files your customers download, and services are things like consultations or sessions. Picking the right type matters because it tailors the fields and options you'll see next. Now enter your product details. Begin with a clear title and a concise, benefit-focused description. Tell customers what it is and why they'll love it. Add high-quality images that show the product from multiple angles or demonstrate how it's used. Set your price, and if you're discounting, include a sale price to display savings. For physical items, fill in weight and dimensions if prompted. This helps with accurate shipping rates. If you manage inventory, add stock counts and any variants such as size or color so customers can pick exactly what they need. Categories and tags are also helpful for organizing your store and improving search on your site. If you see options for search engine details, adding a short, keyword-rich excerpt can make the product easier to find online. Once your details look good, click Save. Your new product will now appear alongside your other items in the products list. From there, you can always return to fine-tune photos, adjust pricing, refine descriptions, or update inventory as your needs change. Saving ensures your work is stored and ready for your storefront, so you can keep building out your catalog without losing progress. And that's all. You've successfully added a product to Squarespace, and you're ready to keep growing your store with confidence.